Hi, this video is about the Nova bath chair with back and arms and the hygienic cutout. So that's the unique feature of this bath chair, is having this hygienic cutout makes cleaning much easier. I also love the features of having the arms and the back, because when you're getting on a bath chair, having these arms makes it so much easier to help with that leverage, and then having that backrest adds for that support and for comfort. And then these arms are also nicely padded for comfort, and they're slip resistant, so that's really easy for me to get up. So we also have a nice handle on the back here, so it's really easy to maneuver around. The legs are adjustable, so then you can adjust the seat to your desired height. Just make sure that all four legs fit into the surface evenly and they are all at the same level. We also have extra wide tips on the bottom for stability, and also there are drainage holes there as well. So this bath chair is so easy to assemble. It's a tools-free assembly and just takes a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to show you the very quick and easy tools-free assembly, and that also makes it great for travel and storage. So when you receive the bath chair, it's going to come just like this. First thing you're going to do is turn it over and let's install the legs. So this just comes together with a push button, and that makes it really easy to pop in and assemble. So go ahead and give the button a push, and then you're going to attach the legs. And you're going to want to make sure that push button comes on the other side of that hole. So you're just going to do all four legs. All right, so now go ahead and turn it over, and then you'll see the U shape. Go ahead and have that facing forward, and now let's insert the back. So the back is going to go through with this push button right here. I'm going to insert the back insert. Go ahead and push that button. You don't want to hear it lock into place. Same with the other side. And now you just have to attach the back. Give the buttons a push. All right, and lastly, the arms. All right, that's the very quick and easy assembly of the back chair with arms and back and U-shaped cutout. And as with all of Nova products, it comes with our care, use, and contact information, so you can reach out to us anytime.